What's up, guys? My name's Anton Suarez, and in this video we are going to be talking about Microsoft open sourcing their JavaScript code engine to GitHub under the MIT license. So what happened is Microsoft is making good on their promises and releasing things they said they're going to open source. So they're open sourcing their Chakra core. My dog just opened the door. They're open sourcing their Chakra core's engine, their JavaScript code engine, to the public that you can play around with using your own applications freely under the MIT license. So Chakra core is what's in the Microsoft Edge browser, the browser that replaced the Internet Explorer browser of Windows. Of all Windows past, that's what replaced it, because they rebranded Microsoft Explorer, because obviously we all know Internet Explorer was garbage. And then when you hear the words Internet Explorer, you go, ew, why would you ever want to use the imagery that comes to mind? You think of something slow, disgusting, and terrible. So they want to change that image. That's why they renamed it. But this is what's backing all the JavaScript things in the web browser. And they have open source it now, and that's another good move for Microsoft to open source things. And for me, this is in my own opinion, I feel that this is another move towards their ultimate goal of the Internet of Things. And the Internet of Things is the idea that everything's going to be connected to the internet. Everything is going to have a purpose and be connected. Your printer is going to be connected to your phone, and your fan's going to be connected to your phone, and you're going to be able to do everything, connect to anywhere at any time. From your car, you're going to be able to turn your fan off. Things like that. I don't know if my analogy is spot on, but it's kind of what I wanted it to be. But for Microsoft, again, another big push. They're pushing to Linux, and even in the end of the article, they're committed to bringing Chakra core, as it's only on Windows 10 right now. They wanted to bring it to Linux, and I guarantee you, in 2016, we're going to see the entire Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio.NET programming language move to Linux. Guarantee it. The entire suite's going to be ported over to Linux, because in Microsoft's eyes, that's the main goal. They're not looking at themselves as a kind of suck-all corporation, and what I mean by suck-all is grab everything and suck it into the Microsoft ecosystem. Even though they're still doing that, they're doing that in a different way now, where they're embracing things and letting things live in their own kind of satellite state, where they're touched by Microsoft but not fully encompassed and almost ruined by Microsoft, in the sense where Microsoft is letting things go where they never would have ever done that before. Before, Microsoft was like a little kid, like, mine, this is mine, this is mine. No, Microsoft's like, all right, I made this cool thing, here you go, everybody, now you can play with it too now. And they're sharing, in the sense, something that Microsoft really didn't do in the past. They're sharing with their new toys, like this JavaScript engine. They want to expand their own ecosystem. They want to expand developers, and they also want to touch Linux. And doing that, they're going to spread, I guarantee you, spreading to Linux more in 2016 than we saw in 2015. That's going to be it for this video. What do you think about Microsoft open sourcing their Edge JavaScript engine? Leave it in the comment section below, and I'll make sure to get back to you. As always, my name's Anton Suarez. Please rate, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.